Good afternoon everyone, I am Jeffrey Fibayor. I'm 15 years old. Someday I want to become police.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Shane Okorodela. I am 15 years old. I want to become professional teacher someday.
Hi, good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Crystalline Samatay Estrella. My age is 15 years old, and my ambition is to be a firewoman.
Everyone, especially sir, my name is Michelle Arcolar. I'm 16 years old and my ambition is firewoman someday.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Abigail Embanay-Banay. I'm 15 years old. I want to become a firewoman someday, and my motto is always do your best and God will do the rest.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Kirk Banay-Banay Pahayo and I'm 15 years old. My ambition is to become Coast Guard.
Good afternoon everyone, especially to our beloved subject teacher, Sir Mark. We are here to report our assigned topic that talks about computer history.
A few moments later.
Has involved over the years from its roots in calculating and calculating machines to become a major player in various areas of mathematics industry, offering a wide range of products and services. It is known for
A few minutes later.
founding history. Was founded on June 16, 1911 as the Consolidated Holding Company through the merger of four companies. In 1934, it changed its name to IBM. Her focus IBM
2,000 years later.
Ang background na po ko ana biduhi kay daan naman nakapokus na
magnetic strip card technology. The floppy disk and the hard disk drive.
A few inches later.
With a presence of nearly every country. It serves gens in various industries, including financial, manufacturing, and government. Watson. IM-based Watson is an artificial intelligence system known for a natural language processing and machine learning capabilities. Is being used for application ranging for healthcare to consumer service.
12 seconds later. Three days later. Many months later.
IBM has substantial services and consulting. Division offering a wide range of technology. Services including business consulting, computing, artificial intelligence, and data analytics.
3:28 a.m.
IBM Cloud structure as a service, IIS platform as a service, PIS software as a service, SES solution.
One eternity later.
Yeah!